Hiya guys, welcome to this tutorial on how to cast on. I'm using a 10mm bamboo tip on a 16-inch cable just to show you how to do this. I've gone for a chunky yarn and a chunky needle just so it makes it clearer how to cast on. I'm going to show you two methods, but to start with both of them you need to be able to make a simple slip knot. So you want to wrap it around your thumb like so. Pop your fingers through to create that little loop and pull through like so. Pop your needle in, and that's how every cast on is started. Don't want it too tight, if not it'll get harder as you go along. But the first method I'm going to show you is the beginner cast on most people will learn first. You want to take your yarn in your right hand, then take your needle, pop it through the loop and behind your left needle. Now you want to make sure that you're using the yarn connected to your ball of yarn. Wrap it around the back of the needle that you've just popped through the loop. Hold it along with the needle and pull it through, like so. Now you want to pull it quite a bit and feed a bit of yarn through and then loop it on the end. So once again, pop your right needle through the loop at the back, wrap around the yarn in front, pull the needle through, pull a little bit out, twist it and pop it onto the end of the left needle. Again, pop through the hole and out the back, wrap your yarn around the tip, pull it out through the front so you've got a new loop, pull out a bit, don't drop it off your needle like I just did, twist it around the left needle and pull your yarn a bit tight, and that is a simple cast on. It's the most common one to learn first. It can look a bit messier and it's a bit rigid for some projects, so there's other methods you can use, but for a beginner this is a good place to start. So the next method I'm going to show you is the Longtail Cast On. So you want a long stretch of yarn, create your slip knot, loop around your thumb, pull the yarn through, then want to pop your needle on. You're only using one needle for this cast on method, which I tend to hold in my right hand with the yarn leading to the ball of yarn in the same hand and the yarn from your tail in your left hand. Take your left yarn, wrap your thumb around, loop that on top of the needle and don't remove your thumb, keep it there. Take your right yarn around the needle, put it just behind your thumb, pull the left yarn over the top and you've cast on a stitch. It is a really quick one to use, it's my most commonly used one. It's got a bit of stretch to it, it's not as rigid, and I tend to find it looks neater. So once again, wrap your thumb around, pop the needle behind, keep your thumb there, right yarn over the top of the needle, behind your thumb in front of the needle, and loop the thumb over. So either one of these methods, whatever suits you when you begin, and try them, see what you prefer, and happy knitting!